You are welcome once again to class, and in today's class, like I did promise, we shall be looking at some interesting triangle quiz questions. The first question we have says that if a triangle has three unequal sides, it is a dash triangle. And remember when we're treating the triangles, I said that once we have a case where the triangle have three unequal sides, it's a scaling triangle. So the answer to this is A. Right? Let's look at the next question. A triangle which has three equal angles is a dash triangle. Option C. Equiangular means that what? The angles in particular are equal. Now look at the third question. The third question states that a triangle with at least two equal sides is a dash triangle. The correct option is isosceles, which is option B. Let's look at question 4. Two triangles that are equal are called dash triangles. When two triangles or two angles are equal, we say those triangles are congruent, right? Or the angles are congruent, or the sides are congruent. In this case, option C is correct. Then let's look at number 5. A triangle with all three sides of equal length is a dash triangle. Once all the sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle, right? We saw a similar question where we found equiangular for equal angle, equilateral, equal sides as well, right? They are correct. So let's go on. Equilateral. Question 6. A triangle with an angle of 90 degrees is a dash triangle. Acute, right, congruent. Option B is correct because a right triangle, right? Let's continue. Question 7. Or a triangle in which all three angles are less than 90 degrees is a dash triangle, right? Once all the three angles are less than 90, we call it what? An acute angle. That's option B. So let's continue. Question 8. A triangle in which one of the angles is greater than 90 is a dash triangle. Once a triangle, one of the angles greater than 90 is an obtuse triangle. That's option A. Let's move on. Question 9. What is the hypotenuse of a right triangle? Now, A, the smallest angle. B, the side opposite the right angle. C, the right angle. Option B is correct because the hypotenuse is the side facing the right triangle, which is the angle 90. So option B is correct. So let's look at question 10. The Pythagorean theorem states that A, pi r square. This is not correct. Option B is also not correct. The correct option is option C, right? Which is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Alright, question 11. Use the Pythagorean theorem to solve the following. If I have my A to be 5, my B to be 12, what is C? Remember the formula, A squared plus B squared that we just saw previously, right? We are going to apply it to solve this particular question. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. So let's apply it and let's see what we are going to obtain. If you square 5, you will get 25. If you square 12, you get 144. If you add 144 to 25, you will have 169. And when you take the square root of 169, you are going to obtain 13. So the correct answer is for C is 13. Right? So this brings us to the end of our quiz session for now. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel and share the link with your friends. Bye for now.